Good morning, students. Now, next adjustment, valuation and adjustment of goodwill. As you know, retiring partner is also entitled to share of goodwill because he has earned that goodwill while he was being a partner. So, who will give him his share of goodwill? The remaining partners, the continuing partners. They will compensate retiring partner by paying him his share of goodwill. Now, in which ratio? In their gaining ratio. Suppose there were three partners and each of them are having one share. Now, if the third one is going, they are going to have one and a half, one and a half. So, in that ratio, they have to give it to the leaving partner, the retiring partner. Now, next, retiring partner share of goodwill. How you are going to value it? In the question, goodwill will be mentioned that the value of the goodwill is this. So value of firm goodwill multiply profit sharing ratio of retiring partner. So whatever was the profit sharing ratio of retiring partner, suppose it was 1 upon 3, you will multiply with that and that will be the value of the goodwill which the remaining partner have to pay to the retiring partner. Now, the treatments, the journal entries. When goodwill does not exist in the book, if goodwill is not existing in the book but it has been valued, so firstly you will calculate the share of goodwill and then you will pass the entry gaining partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. Here gaining partner means the remaining partners, okay, who are continuing partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. In which ratio? In gaining ratio. Mostly this treatment will be done. So a sum regarding this, sum number 13 from your book. There are three partners, Sunil, Shahid, David. Their ratio is 4:3:2. Shahid retires, center 1, and the goodwill value is 72,000. New ratio is 5:3. The very first step is calculate gaining ratio. I have already explained you the formula of calculating gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. So 5 upon 8 minus 4 upon 9 and 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 9, you are going to get 13:11. That is their gaining ratio. Now, Shahid, out of 72,000, Shahid's share of goodwill is how much? 3 upon 9. So that comes to 24,000. So this 24,000 is being compensated by Sunil and David in the ratio 13:1, 11, that is 13,000 and 11,000. Clear? So this was all about the goodwill treatment. Second is hidden goodwill. Now hidden goodwill topic is same as we have done in the admission. As you will firstly calculate new capital, total capital of the new firm by reciprocating the share of incoming partner, and then you will minus total capital of all the partners including the new partner. The excess amount is goodwill. As we have done in admission, the same thing. Only difference is this entry, gaining partners account debit to retiring partners. Entry is the same as I explained you just now. In the gaining ratio, gaining partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. Next, when one or the same or some of the remaining partners gain, like means it's not that all the partners are gaining, one partner is gaining or some partners are gaining. So what is the entry? एंट्रीज अगेन, जिनको गेन हो रहा है उनको डेबिट कर दो और रिटायरिंग पार्टनर को क्रेडिट कर दो. जिनको गेन नहीं हुआ उनको डेबिट ना करना. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. दिस इज अगेन आई थिंक सम नंबर 21 फ्रॉम योर बुक. सम नंबर 21. This is a third situation. Hidden goodwill, I haven't solved the sum because only one sum was there in your book which I have kept for you to practice. If you can't solve it, then do let me know. I'll help them. So next, 21st sum. M, N and O ratio is 3:2:1. N retires. And now the new ratio is 1:1. Firstly calculate gain, new ratio minus old ratio. Half minus 3 upon 6, half minus 1 upon 6. So see, while calculating this ratio, you have seen that M is gaining 0. M is getting nothing. So the whole share is with O. Only O is gaining. So your entry will be gaining partner, means O's capital account debit to N's capital account 20,000, 20,000. How you have got this 20,000? There was a ratio, there was 60,000 goodwill, 60,000 multiplying share of N 2 upon 6. That is 20,000, 20,000. So this is also clear. Next, when some remaining partners sacrifice. Now next situation is when the remaining partners, they are sacrificing, means they are not gaining. While calculating gaining ratio, you will get their answer in sacrifice. So how are you going to pass that entry? Entry will be gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners account to retiring partners account. मीन्स हु इज गेनिंग, जितना उसको गेन हुआ है वो गेन एक और जो एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर है वो भी सैक्रिफाइस करेगा, तो जितना उसने सैक्रिफाइस किया है वो उसको गेन हो जाएगा, तो उसका वहाँ पे डेबिट होगा. देखो अब एग्जाम्पल के साथ क्लियर हो गया आपको बात. A इज टू B इज टू C, रेशियो इसकी है 6:5:4. A रिटायर्ड हो गए तो B और C रह गए, इनकी न्यू रेशियो है 1:4. तो जब हमने पहले गेनिंग रेशियो कैलकुलेट की, न्यू 1/5 माइनस 5/15, ये आ गया आपके पास 2/15, वो भी माइनस में. माइनस गेन मतलब वो सैक्रिफाइस है, ठीक है. सेम C 4/5 माइनस 4/15, ये आ गया आपके पास पॉजिटिव 8/15. तो अभी 1,80,000 गुडविल थी, उसका आपने जब शेयर निकाला तो C's कैपिटल अकाउंट 96,000, to B's capital account 24,000 and to A's capital account 72,000. ठीक है, मतलब जो B ने सैक्रिफाइस किया है 2/15, उसका आ गया आपके पास 24,000, और जो A ने सैक्रिफाइस किया है उसका आ गया आपके पास 72,000. तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट योर गुडविल ट्रीटमेंट इन रिटायरमेंट. Now you can do one thing, you can solve all the sums easily. They are very simple sums from retirement. You can solve all of them till goodwill. Till this, as I explained you, with this the topic of goodwill is over, and get ready for a test. Thank you.